what's up, it's Simply Hubs here, and today I'm going to be showing you the best Julie build on Texas Chainsaw Massacre, their game. So let's get into it. So the perks you're going to want on Julie, the first perk is Tool Tracks. So when you first start the game, it gives you 30 seconds, highlights every toolbox near you or around the map or whatever. So you know where to go to get the fucking screwdrivers and everything straight off the bat. So the second perk you're going to want to use is Efficient Locksmith. When unlocking doors, there's a 20% chance that this tool won't be consumed. Obviously, when you get that to level 3, it'll be 40%. So you're going to want to use that. So the last perk you're going to want to use is Conditioned. When you completely run out of stamina, it takes 20% less to start regenerating. You're going to want that because stamina is a bitch in this game. Unless you're Sonny. Sonny can run for days. So yeah. And you're going to want to put your attributes on Full Stealth, you're going to see why in the gameplay in a sec, and Proficiency, and you're also going to see why.